When we had the developer-led landscape thesis, we believe there needs to be a whole range of tooling that needs to emerge to manage the governance, security, performance of multi-cloud environments. Managing your cloud infrastructure, costs, and performance associated still requires serious efforts that act as barriers to smoother transitions and eventual customer adoption. Managing cloud costs are now a priority, not just for functional experts and CFOs, but also the CTOs, and every business leader has started to make this a priority in his or her quarterly, yearly goal setting processes. So it's not just the magnitude and timing of the problem that Lucidity is going after that excites us, but also the size and the scale, and then the fact that it's top of mind for all CXOs' radar screens today. It was a package of the founding team that came together for us in our mind. Vatsal's engineering prowess from his days at Swiggy and Microsoft, and Nitin's equally strong sales avatar excited us greatly from the very first time that we met them. Vatsal and Nitin have a uniquely complementary set of skill sets and an impressive dynamic that we think will take them forward from strength to strength. In addition to this, the magnitude of the problem and the timing were also highly convincing factors for us that made this a very compelling case. At Blume, our thesis on the developer-led landscape taught us about the kind of gaps that exist for managing cloud infrastructure and the serious shortage of specialized talent necessary to make all this happen. So when we looked at Lucidity and finally evaluated that in our investment committee, it checked both the founders thesis, the founders bucket, and the thesis aspects. And it is this package of coming together that finally made us bite the bullet and invest in Lucidity. Finally, on the funding milestone itself and what it means and what the implications are, we're excited to see the Lucidity cloud product evolve more over the next year, and for there to be long-term proof of the value add that Lucidity Cloud can bring to enterprises. More importantly, we're also happy to see the founders build out a really solid and robust team, which will be key to tapping into greater and greater milestones for the next funding rounds, which we think should happen next year. Vatsal and Nitin's deep network has unfolded very beautifully post this round, and we're happy to help them wherever possible. We're very excited to have back Nitin and Vatsal at Lucidity Cloud